How to update Blender? First of all, open Blender on your computer. Once it's running, look at the top menu bar and click on Help. In the drop down menu, you will find an option called Check for Updates. Click on that to see if a new version is available. If there is an update, a prompt will appear giving you details about the latest Blender release. You can then choose to download it directly from the official Blender website. It's important to always download updates from the official source to avoid any security risks. Next, after downloading the installer, close Blender completely before starting the installation process. Run the installer and follow the instructions to replace the old version with the new one. Your settings and add-ons will usually remain intact, but it's a good idea to back up your work just in case. Once the installation finishes, open Blender again to confirm the update was successful. You can check the version number by going to Help and then About Blender. It should now display the latest version you installed. Updating regularly helps Blender run smoothly and keeps you ready for any new tools or fixes the developer adds. And that's it. Now you know how to update Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.